Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Well, we were waiting for this. The Judge Ned Burns just uploaded the document basically granting in the decision in favor of Ripple. This is something we had been waiting for quite some time. This is in regards to the ongoing discovery dispute regarding the legal memos, the legal advice that Ripple has been receiving for so many years. And this is a very important victory for Ripple and obviously for XRP. And in today's video, we'll be discussing about this. Not only that, in the decision, the judge also talked about the lack of fair due notice, something basically if you have been following this Ripple lawsuit, that is the biggest key point in which Ripple is using to basically win this entire lawsuit. So a lot of really interesting things to talk about today. But before doing that, let me just update my subscribers about a very important thing. For those of you who are new to my channel, I currently have a massive 500 XRP giveaway going on. It has been going on for the last couple of weeks, and this is the last video and this is the last chance for you to enter into this free XRP giveaway. It's literally free money. I highly recommend you to do it. All you have to do is be a subscriber on my channel. If you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button, give this video a like, and third, leave a comment below. It is as simple as that, and the winner is going to be announced in the next video, so tomorrow. So make sure you definitely watch tomorrow's video, guys. Do it. It's literally free money which you can win. Now let's talk about this big victory for Ripple. In fact, this is something we had been waiting for quite some time. This was the result of the 21st May discovery conference dispute between Ripple versus the SEC, and in which the SEC was basically asking to Ripple to hand over all the legal documentations which it received from other law firms or its attorneys. Well, regarding that, the judge puts it, the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC seeks an order compelling Ripple Labs to produce all communication constituting, transmitting, or discussing any legal advice Ripple sought or received as to whether its offers and sales of XRP were or would be subject to federal securities law. The motion is denied. This is definitely really good news, because this means that this is in favor of Ripple. Now, for those of you who don't know what this entire thing was about, it was basically the SEC was asking, hey, to Ripple, since 2013, what are some of the legal advice it has received from attorneys, law firms, and it got advice from up to 12 law firms, if I'm correct. So basically SEC was saying, hey, did they tell you XRP is a security or not? And these were the very important documents which Ripple was supposed to hand over to the SEC, and Ripple was saying that, hey, these are attorney-client privileges, we don't need to do that. So the entire discovery was related to that, and the judge obviously gave in favor of Ripple, saying that, hey, Ripple does not need to do that. So this is, in my opinion, a very important victory. But not only that, well, the judge also talked about the biggest key point that we have been waiting for in this entire Ripple lawsuit, and that is the lack of fair due notice. This is the important thing in which Ripple is using basically as its main defense against the SEC, and this could be the thing that might actually win this entire Ripple lawsuit. See, the thing is, this defense is so crucial for Ripple that the judge actually put it in writing today regarding this, because this is what Ripple is going to be using in the future. So she actually talked about it today, even though this was not actually related to that. She puts, in asserting this defense, Ripple claims that the SEC's actions and inactions failed to provide market participants with fair notice that the agency considered XRP a security. In support, it cites to the SEC's 8-year delay in pursuing enforcement action against Ripple for its alleged securities violations. Basically, this is something we have been talking about for a very long time. We have been saying, hey, if XRP was a security, why didn't the SEC say anything to Ripple? For the last 8 years, why out of nowhere, just before this bull run started, that the SEC is actually going after Ripple? And the judge is basically talking about that. She also puts it, finally, Ripple alleges upon information belief that a cryptocurrency exchange, a dubbed Platform A, asked the SEC explicitly if it considered XRP to be a security. Ripple alleges that the SEC did not state that it considered XRP to be a security, and therefore Platform A listed XRP on its exchange. So this is a really big. In fact, I have talked about it in one of my previous videos, in which one of these exchanges, it was most likely Coinbase, it went to the SEC asking, hey, is XRP a security? And at that time, the SEC said, no, it's not. Basically, they didn't really give a clear answer to that. So the Platform A decided on its own and listed XRP on their platform, considering it to be a non-security. So this is what Ripple has been saying for a very long time, and this is what the judge reiterated that. see, the most important thing here is what is going to come next. So what is going to come next is this lack of fair, Ripple is really going to bring this out. Now, having said all of this, the judge is very smart, rightfully so, and that she did not give a complete victory to Ripple, because regarding this lack of fair due notice, she actually said that at this time they're not going to say anything, but in the future, if Ripple ever brings this up, the SEC can actually ask for this legal advice again. They can put forward this. She puts it, the court takes no position about whether Ripple's pleaded defense is cognizable or it will prove meritorious. I reach only the limited question of whether Ripple put its subjective state of mind or advice of counsel at issue merely by raising the defense, thus waiving its privilege. I conclude it did not. So basically she's saying that, hey, from the information that is provided right now, she thinks that it is good in the case for Ripple, that she's citing with Ripple. And in conclusion, according to the SEC's motion is denied if at some point, some later date, Ripple raises its good faith beliefs or relies upon its privileged communication in support of its fair notice defense, the plaintiff may renew its application to the court. Basically, she's saying that, hey, in the future, if Ripple talks about this lack of fair due notice and they bring these privileged communications, and if they do, and at that point the SEC has the right to get these critical legal documents. So in my opinion, she gave a major victory to Ripple, but at the same time it was not a complete one, because there are some very important points that the SEC can use for the future too. But the overall conclusion here is that this is, in my opinion, a really big victory for Ripple and obviously for XRP. So what is going to happen next? Well, we obviously know about this victory, which is in favor of Ripple, but a lot of things are still yet to come, and the month of June is going to be a very, very important one. Also, we cannot forget that Ripple is actually planning to go to summary judgment, and so that would be somewhere around August, and in that, Ripple is very likely and almost certain is going to use this defense of lack of fair due notice. That is why the judge is talking about this now, because it is going to be used then, and if that is in favor of Ripple, that is it. Ripple wins this entire lawsuit and it is over. And obviously if Ripple wins this, the price of XRP is going to increase, because it is going to be freed from the shackles of this lawsuit and it is freely able to reach an all-time high if we are still in the bull run at that point. So very, very interesting things to come. And obviously we cannot forget about the talk of a settlement, because a lot of people in the Ripple and XRP community, they are saying that, hey, there is a very, very high chance that we might actually see a settlement regarding this Ripple lawsuit. So again, we can expect that as well. Well guys, that was the video for today, and a very interesting update, and I would love to know what are your thoughts in the comment section below, because I do read as many comments as possible. And of course, do not miss the chance to win this massive 500 XRP giveaway, because today is the last day in which you can enter this, because the winner is going to be announced tomorrow. So make sure you do that. Well guys, thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate all the love and support I get, and I read a lot of these comments. And obviously guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well, and you can connect with me there personally. Well guys, thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you next time.